Hey there, Doordash users, guys. If you have a vanilla gift card and you want to use it for ordering your favorite food, guys, I've got you covered. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you use your vanilla gift card on a Doordash. So first things, guys, what you want to do is you want to actually check the balance of your vanilla gift card before adding it to Doordash. You want to ensure you know the available amount. You can do this, by visiting the vanilla gift card website or just calling the number at the back of the card. All right. And step number two, guys, is actually to add your vanilla gift card as a payment method. So what you want to be doing is you want to open the DoorDash app and you want to go to your account settings. And then you want to tap on a payment methods and then add to card. Okay, so go to payment methods and then click on add card. So you want to enter the details from your vanilla gift card, just like you would with their regular, regular credit or debit card. Then what you want to do, guys, is you want to place an order which is within the card's balance. So the vanilla gift card basically works like, a prepaid debit card. So you want to make sure that your order total, including delivery fees and tips, doesn't actually exceed, the card's balance. And if your order costs more, you'll actually need to use a second payment method to actually cover the difference. And then at the end, guys, you just want to complete your checkout. So what you want to do is once order is actually ready to go, you want to your vanilla gift card as the payment method and confirm the order. And that's it, guys. Your delicious meal is on its way. So using a gift card, a vanilla gift card DoorDash is very simple as long as you check the balance and plan your order accordingly, guys. So if this guide was helpful, guys, please be sure to like, comment if you're still having trouble, and I'll try to help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys